This video has two parts. Part 1, how to install the tempered glass on your phone. Part 2, how to install the second or third tempered glass on the tray. Part 1, how to install the tempered glass on your phone. 1. Turn off your phone. 2. Use the wet wipes to clean the screen. 3. Use the microfiber cloth to dry the screen. 4. Use the dust absorber to absorb any dust on the screen. 5. Hold on the tray. Peel off the protective film on the tempered glass. 6. Place the tray on your phone. 7. Press down the sticker on the tray slot and slide from the top to the bottom. 8. Wait around 10 seconds for the tempered glass to adhere on the screen. 9. Peel off the sticker and remove the tray. 10. Squeeze out any remaining bubbles with your thumb. 'Part 2, how to install the second or third tempered glass on the tray. 1. Take the new sticker. Align the sticker to the sticker slot on the tray correctly. Press down the sticker edge to adhere well on the tray. Align 4 legs of the sticker to 4 spots of the sticker slot. 2. Place the tempered glass into the tempered glass slot, making sure the tempered glass is fully inserted into the slot. 3. Press down the sticker from the sticker slot to the tempered glass. Make sure the sticker adheres on the tempered glass.